Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are finally going to be doing a Ivy Park haul. This is just me showing you guys the clothing, but I will have a styling video for you guys down below in the description box, so don't forget to go ahead and check that out. I took a lot of time doing it. You guys for supporting me. I love you guys so much, and let's just get right into this video. I'm super excited. The first item I want to talk to you guys about is this bra. Let me tell you, this bra is the best bra because it's just the brown, the color alone is enough to say that this is awesome. Brown, just lovely. It's, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. It has the Ivy Park logo thing right here, and then Adidas in the back right here. And then it has Ivy Park all on the straps, which I absolutely love. I don't remember how much this was, but I explained everything in the styling video, so go ahead and check that out. I will link it down below. Yeah, but this is super cute, and when you pair it, you know, with the same thing. The next item is the leggings. I absolutely love the leggings too. I paid $90 for this. I'm gonna keep saying the price so you guys can know, if you don't know already. I just love just the color alone, the Ivy Park right here, and then the little, I don't even know what you call it, a hump? I guess you can call it a hump. Right there where the stomach part is, I absolutely love it. Like, I have no issues with it at all. So this is what it looks like, and then it has the mesh going down. Very cute, very simple, and I love it. Favorite item of this whole collection is the zip pants. I absolutely love these zip pants. This item, if I didn't get it, I would have been very, very upset, but I did get it and I just love it so much. It has the diamonds at the bottom, like the little what you gonna call this, zips all the way down. It has that diamond at the bottom, and then it has this. I'm so glad I got a small, and then this part right here, which is like the waist, and then the small just details of this Ivy Park written right here. Pockets, zippers, lovely. I love everything about it. I have no complaints whatsoever for any of these items, so I do truly love this. So I will keep a little bit of photos on the screen just for you guys to see right quick, but please go ahead and watch that styling video, okay? All right, so the next thing I got is this bra. This is the Sky Tag bra. It is black. Everything I got is in the medium except for those zipper pants in a small. Super cute. I'm gonna show y'all right here. Super cute. I love the bra. It's very padded well. It's black. You can wear it with a lot of things. And the back, I absolutely love. Have no complaints. I try to make it a little bit fancy by putting it on a damn hanger, but you see how that's going. So yeah, but this is super duper cute and I absolutely love this. And I paid $75, so not bad. It's a little bit expensive, but you know, it's okay. It's Ivy Park, so I love. Okay, and I got these leggings, which is $85 a medium, like I said. Very basic, just has the same writings, Ivy Park, shred time, just different things written on it, and I absolutely love it. I love it. You will see in the styling video, but I love it. And I love the thick band, love everything about it, no complaints, super cute. I'm pretty sure you guys have seen a whole bunch of videos of everyone just, you know, talking about these items, but I absolutely truly do love everything in this collection. I wish I would have gotten more, but it's okay. And then I got this bra as well, paid $75 for this too as well. I would have loved to have these stitching on her normal bra like she did last time, but she didn't do that today with pink. I don't know why she didn't, but it's still cute in my opinion. I just would have loved the stitching to be the same as before. Same thing, Ivy Park in the back, well, Adidas in the back, Ivy Park. Is it Ivy Park in the front this time? No, Ivy Park is not in the front this time, but it's all over the bra though, so that's cute. And then the last thing is these shorts. Super cute. I wore these already, medium. Ivy Park in the back this time with Adidas. Nothing really in the front, but I do like this V cut right here. So it's really, really cute. It's summertime. I wanted to get the leggings, but I figured I already got leggings, so let me just get some shorts because it's beginning to be summer. so I didn't want to do it too much as well. So yeah, I am selling the Sky Tag bra and leggings too as well in my Poshmark, so I'll leave it down below. But that is basically it. These are all the items that I got from Ivy Park. Not much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 items. I spent almost $900 again, only because I bought 2 of each thing. Alright you guys, so that is the end of this video. If you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Please go ahead and watch my how to style my Ivy Park video down below. All the items that I'm selling on my Poshmark will be down below too as well. I have the leggings and I have the bra. So yeah, if that's something that interests you guys and you love my other content as well as this content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love you guys so much. Thank you guys for supporting me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.